In this guide, I'm going to show you how to unlock every Forza Edition car in Forza Horizon 6. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the journal itself, because this is the fastest way itself to actually check to see which Forza Edition car you have currently and what you need to unlock. So for example, go ahead and open up the journal by pausing, go to cars, and you could change your car in here, but go to campaign, select collection journal, and then from here, go to discover Japan, and here open up that car collection, and this is everything that you have unlocked and everything that you don't have unlocked. There's going to be some stuff on here that's ultra specific, like for example, the 2023 BMW M2 Forza Edition. You're going to have to complete the Horizon Legend Journal by earning 5,000 Horizon Festival points. The Dodge Viper GTS ACR, the Lotus Avija, and the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro Forza Editions are all VIP cars, so you need the VIP membership or premium edition to get those. Some of the cars come from wheel spins or super wheel spins, including the Mustang GT 2+2 Fastback, the Ford F-150, Ford F-450, the Mercedes 190E, the Nissan S Cargo, the Nissan GTR Black Edition, the Porsche 917 LH, and the Wuling Sunshine. Those are all going to come from super wheel spins and normal wheel spins. For the Lexus LFA Forza Edition, you need to complete the Togue and Street Racing section in Discover Japan by earning 7,000 Discover Japan points. The Mazda R7 III or the Mazda RX3 can appear from the Daikoku parking area, and the Mazda MX-5 Miata can appear near the Festival Kilometer Drag Meet. For the Subaru Vivio RXR, complete the Horizon Live event journal just by finishing the time attacks and drag meets across the required classes. For the Subaru BRZ Forza Edition, that can be found near the Snow Forest Cross Country Circuit area. For the Toyota Sprinter AE86, you need to complete the Master Explorer category by earning 5,000 Discover Japan points. And you can also check the auction house for all of these as well. That's another way to just go ahead and get some stuff knocked out. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.